In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on subtitles on Amazon Prime Video. If you've ever wished for on-screen text to make dialogue clearer, follow along. Subtitles, sometimes called captions, can help in noisy places, support language learning, and make shows more accessible. The good news is that turning them on is quick and consistent across the Prime Video app on phones, tablets, smart TVs, streaming sticks, game consoles, and the web. Start by playing the movie or show you want to watch. Once it's rolling, you'll need to bring up the playback controls. On a phone or tablet, tap the screen. On a computer, move your mouse or trackpad over the video. On a TV or streaming device, press the Select or OK button on your remote to reveal the on-screen controls. You should now see the play, pause bar, and a few icons that let you adjust settings for the video. Look for the subtitles or captions control. It often looks like a speech bubble, sometimes a small circle with lines, or it may be labeled Subtitles and Audio. Select that option to open the language panel. You'll see a list of available subtitle languages, such as English or Spanish. Choose the language you prefer. As soon as you select it, subtitles will appear on the screen, and they'll stay on for that title unless you turn them off the same way. If you don't see the captions icon right away, try pausing the video or hovering your cursor over the player for a moment. The menu usually only appears when the controls are visible. On TVs, use your remote's directional buttons to move focus over the playback bar so the icons show up. Keep in mind that not every title includes subtitles. If a particular movie or episode doesn't support them, the subtitles and audio menu may show limited or no language options. You can also fine-tune how subtitles look. On the Prime Video website, go to Account and Settings and open the Subtitles tab to adjust style, size, and your default language. These preferences help make text more readable and can carry over to devices when supported. Finally, some devices rely on system accessibility settings for captions. If subtitles still don't appear after enabling them in Prime Video, check your phone, tablet, or TV's accessibility or captions settings to ensure captions are turned on and styled the way you want. That's it. Press play and enjoy your show with clear, comfortable subtitles.